Hi, this is Marlene with Dixie Quilters, and here we are. We're going to open up a package. Somebody sent me a package. Somebody that sends packages with pink bows in their tape. Do you know who that is? Another package came. Wow! I actually thought they might have come together, but you know, this is a big box. Let's see if we can get this open. I'm glad I got the other one already. So let's open it up. I got my grandson, he's watching Grizzy and the Lemons over here beside me. Grizzy and the Lemons is an awfully funny story about a grizzly bear that tries to figure out stuff. It sort of like reminds me of the bear from the forest fire guy. But that's another generation, huh? Yeah, I'm gonna get that open. Oh my goodness, what's in here? Lots of tape and oh boy. Oh, I know, this was some of that 108 stuff. This is a live sale order from July 20 and July 30. Oh my goodness. Okay, so I got 3 yards. Oh, there's a whole bunch of stuff in here. There's lots of stuff. I gotta get it open here. You wanna help me get it open? Here is 3 yards of this beautiful pale blue. Wow, that is beautiful. And then I got 3 yards of this beautiful beige. What's that called? Well, it's not right on here. Oh yes, here it is. Sweet Memories. No, Shades. Chambray Shades. 3 yards at 15. And this is Essential Dry Brush Shades. No, Essential Dry Brush. Oh, this is the chambray, and this is the cream. But they're both 15. 15 a yard. They were super. And then we got 3 yards of this too? Wow, did I get crazy or what? So I got 3 yards of the Elena Amo Promoda Sweet Memories Sunrise and 1 yard of Twilight. Oh, they are beautiful. And those were $6.50 a yard. Man, that is beautiful. What else did I do? What other damage did I do, right? Flathead flower pins. I wanted those. And I got the birdhouse pins. Remember they came in the last box and I didn't get it? Now here is a non-slip perfect 10 ruler. And that's what I got. I got a ruler, 2 sets of pins, ruler, 2 sets of pins, and the fabric. Wow! Okay, well, I'm very pleased with that. My goodness. I can put the back on a couple of different quilts that have been waiting in the background, waiting for backings to come. Oh my goodness. Okay, well, thank you, Lynn and Marlon. That was an excellent box. And I love these pins. And now, since I missed buying the last quilt in a box, mystery box, I think these came in it because they were bird-oriented. But I love them. All right, thank you. Have a good evening. Bye now.